Here we go, Max. Let's see it. Nice. Good. And trying to get that bar right on those shoulders if you can. As far down as possible. Just getting ready for that front squat. And one more. Right into our squat, into our front raise. Nice. There we go, Max. Keep that going. Two more. Try to hold that just a little longer at the top if you can. Nice. Perfect. Good pause. And last one. Good. We'll go right into our incline push-ups. We'll go right to 8. 4. 5. Couple more. And good. Very nice. Good. You can walk it right on in. Nice. There we go. Nice. Yeah. Set that bar right on those shoulders. Leading with those elbows out of the bottom. Let's see it, Max. Smooth squatting. There we go. Good. Walk it right on in. Very nice. All right, Max. Let's see it. Good. Nice. Way to stay stable. One more. Nice, Max. That form's getting better every week. Let's go. Now we are talking. All right, Max, let's see it. Nice. Good, walk it right on in. Very good. Nice. One more. Good. Very nice. Last set here. Let's get it. Nice. And last one. Good. Good go. Walk right on it.